Hi guys, jungleliveherbs.com, putting you and nature back together. And today we're going to be talking about Cell Detox, one of our main products, and why you should use it to help maintain a clean and healthy colon. Well, one of the reasons is because you don't want to sound like this when you go to the bathroom. And many people do. They just don't make a big noise just because they don't want to be embarrassed for you to hear. But because of constipation, by not using Cell Detox, we are suffering from baby blues. Because when you eat all those pizzas and cakes and donuts at home every day, you are causing constipation inside your own body because those are binders. Science already shows that starch can trigger constipation, and when you're in a constipated state, you suffer baby blues. You want to go out, you don't feel well, you're going to be bloated, not feeling like you want to do anything but lay around and feel so depressed. Now, Cell Detox can help relieve those symptoms, and even though you'll be eating all that pizza and cakes and donuts, you won't sound like this. When you go to the bathroom, Cell Detox can help prevent that, so that when you go to the bathroom, this lady won't come looking to see what has happened to you when you try to pass all those hard and tough stools. But if you don't know what free flowing looks like, well, take a look at our rhinoceros in Africa. This is free flowing. When you take Cell Detox, this is what you should expect. Look, pooping with a kick of satisfaction. Let's play that one more time. Check it out. Free flowing, people. That's what you want. That's why you get Cell Detox. And at the end, you'll be able to have, wait for it, a kick with satisfaction. jungleliveherbs.com, putting you and nature back together.